up on your head, girl. Let it know answer.
What me name? Shanana! What me name? Shanana!
Me man know which one I know can't find the base. Girl, which one I know can't hold the base.
Lolita Entertainment presents Double Dose with Bad Boy Trevor and Shibata.
Them girl in a mongrel. You are History Channel. Them girl that Nickelodeon and Disney.
At Jamaica Canadian Center, 995 Ara Road, Toronto, Friday, October 28, 8 p.m. Sir John McDonald High School, 2300 Pharmacy Road, Scarborough, Saturday, October 29, 8 p.m. Ross Complex, 200 Advance Boulevard, Brampton, Sunday, October 30, 7 p.m. After party with the star, VIP package available. Don't miss Double Dose with Bad Boy Trevor and Shibata.
Me not argue with you, man. Use them body a shortcut. Hear me I tell you. No, but from she come in here, she have a shot between her foot tight. And Christopher Columbus try to discover that and get tired.
At JCA, Friday, October 28, Sir John McDonald High, Saturday, October 29, Ross Complex, Sunday, October 30. Don't miss Double Dose with Shibata.
Nice way for put ore.
So what's summer? I see this ore, yeah. She can't quench any thirst.
Not that one, yeah. I'm not thirsty.
Jesus, deliver me, deliver me. I must stop it now. Every time I get something young, you disturb me. Oh, you mean me not thirsty? Look how long me and you am tough crackers, more water now.
At JCA, Friday, October 28, Sir John McDonald High, Saturday, October 29, Ross Complex, Sunday, October 30. Don't miss Double Dose with Shibata.